How to fix sound removed on TikTok. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to understand why the sound was removed. To determine the reason, open your muted video in the TikTok app, tap View Details at the bottom. You'll see if the sound was removed due to copyright claim, community guidelines violation, or both. If that's the case, you'll need to replace the removed sound. Or else, what you can do is head over to Settings and Privacy page, scroll all the way down, and navigate to the option Contact Us. Now here you can have conversation with TikTok support team. If you are the original sound creator and you feel that sound was incorrectly removed for violating community guidelines, you can make an appeal to the TikTok support team. Tap the muted post, tap the violation notice at the bottom, tap submit appeal. Ensure you submit your appeal within 80 days of receiving the notification. By following this process, your sound might be available in the TikTok video. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.